First, we need to go to Settings. Over here, choose Connected Devices, and then let's go to Connection Preferences. You should be able to find the Cast option, and over here you might be able to immediately find your TV, for example, in order to start sharing the screen after selecting it. You want to make sure that you are using the same Wi-Fi network on both your phone, your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, as well as on your TV. Besides that, if you have issues with finding your TV, you can also try using Smart Connect option over here. If you tap on this button and set it up, as you can see, we can also cast to smart TVs using Miracast. So then we can press add a device in order to pair these devices. So this is how we can use it. However, in order to use Smart Connection, we are required to use Lenovo ID or Moto account, at least in order to automatically pair with your devices. You can also pair manually over here, and you can choose what you want to transfer. So let's say we can choose Display TV. Then over here, let's skip this. Let's press this check, and there we go. Over here we can scan for display as well. So that's about it. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.